Purpose of the human life. This is what being explained by the great Sukdev. Janmalabha paraha. More important purpose of the life, human life, is ante Narayana Smriti. Thinking about Lord Narayana, dedicating to himself, and that is all it is. But what to do? My beloved King, those who understand this, spending so many years is not necessary for that. So many days also is not necessary for that. Varam muhurtam viditam ghateta shreyase yataha. If you are able to use it even for a muhurta, even for 1 hour, that itself is great. What is the purpose of spending hundreds of years like a big palm tree, standing for 100 years? What is the purpose of living like a big banyan tree, living for thousands of years? Live for one moment with good activity, for good purpose. That becomes more valuable. This is what we need to understand. Our Alvars, great Alvars, they say, Parude Palapahalum Poyinavendru Anju Aruden. So many years have passed so far, so many days have passed, and now I realized that I have to surrender to the feet of Lord Narayana. And I surrendered today, but I felt so bad for the days that were lost already. Anju Aruden, I cried for those days also. Why did I waste all of those days? Annunan Pirandilen, I really did not born during that period. Pirandapin Marandilen, now I born when I surrendered to the feet of Lord Narayana. And now I just can't forget this, even for a fraction of a second. Pirandapin Marandilen, that's what they say. So my beloved King Parikshit, should I tell you a nice story? He said, yes sir. I give you the story of a great king called Khatwanga. You need to understand, how he used his time in a appropriate manner. Okay? What was his story? He said, Khatwanga was a king invited by Devatas to support them in a big war. And of course, he did so. And after that, those Devatas were highly pleased with the valor of this king. And end of that, they said, we give you a boon and ask for whatever you want. The king was so wise. And he asked, tell me, how much time left for me to live? He asked. Then those Devatas revealed, after you reaching your own place, you live only for one muhurta. That means 48 minutes only. And he felt so happy and said thanks. He did not feel sorry for that. He did not cry for that. And immediately he returned to his place at a faster pace, and then he dedicated himself to the feet of God, sat down in meditation and thinking the divine name of Lord, and within a very shorter time he just left his body and reached Muhurtat Sarvam Utsrujya Gatavan Abhayam Harihi. Abhayam Harihi. With no fear he reached the abode of Lord Sri Hari. Within a muhurta, That means within just 48 minutes, my beloved king, tadhapi etarhi, for you, in one muhurta he was able to reach the Lord Sri Hari's abode, isn't it? And for you, saptaham jivitavadhihi, 7 days, my God, so long time is given to you. Nothing to worry. You can certainly get the grace of God. Whatever is needed, yes, definitely you can. That's why antakalesu purusha agate gatasatvasaha. When the time comes, then what we have to do? We should be dedicating, giving up every attachment and just see that it is hooked to his lotus feet. And you are really blessed. And the place we need to reach finally is Padam Tat Paramam Vishnoho Mano Yatra Prasidati. The place is called Vishnoho Paramam Padam. Tad Vishnoho Paramam Padam Sada Pasyanti Suraya. Veda says that. That is what Sri Sukadev is telling. And which is the place gives always divine joy. There won't be any kind of rajas there. There won't be any kind of tamas there. Only sattva, only suddha sattva, and that is what can be attained in one muhurta. It is possible for him. Why can't you in these 7 days of time can definitely attain? Don't worry, I am here to reveal all that story to you. Assure him. And then he starts explaining to him all about the Lord Sri Hari, Lord Mahavishnu.
Real estate రంగంలో నమ్మకానికి మారుపేరుగాంచిన సంస్థ ఎస్ఎస్ స్వర్ణ వెంచర్స్ సొంతింటి కలను సాకారం చేసేందుకు అన్ని రకాల హంగులతో అతి తక్కువ ధరలో ఫ్లాట్లు అందజేస్తున్న సంస్థ ఎస్ఎస్ స్వర్ణ వెంచర్స్. కీసర నుండి భోగారం వెళ్ళు రహదారిలో ప్రశాంత వాతావరణంలో 6 ఎకరాల విస్తీర్ణంలో ఫ్లాట్లను అందుబాటులోకి తెచ్చింది ఎస్ఎస్ స్వర్ణ వెంచర్స్. అన్ని సౌకర్యాలు అతి చేరువలో అతి తక్కువ ధరలో అందరికీ అందుబాటులో గల ఈ అవకాశాన్ని